Exercise 7.2, third question. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. So what do you mean by altitude? Altitude is a line drawn from any vertex. What kind of line? It's a perpendicular drawn from any vertex to the opposite side. Altitude is a perpendicular drawn from any vertex to the opposite side of a triangle. So what is given is BE. BE and CF are altitudes. So that means these two makes 90 degree. So these two angles are 90 degree. What else is given? ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. So what to prove? We have to prove that BE is equal to CF. To prove BE is equal to CF. For this, we have to consider two triangles. Which two triangles we have to consider? We have to consider triangle FBC and triangle EBC. We have to consider triangle FBC and triangle EBC. Can you tell the corresponding parts? First part is angle BFC is equal to angle CEB is equal to 90 degree is given. What's the next one? What is given? Total AB is equal to AC. What is given? AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, what can you say about these two angles? Angle B is equal to angle C. So AB is equal to AC is given. This implies that angle B is equal to angle C. What's the reason? Angles opposite to equal sides. So what we got is two angles are equal. What we got is two angles are equal. So what is the next one which we need? We need one side, which is the common side here. BC for one triangle and CB for another triangle. So what you have to write is BC is equal to CB is common. So what we can say, triangle BFC is congruent to triangle CEB using which criterion? Two angles on one side, AAS criterion. So BFC is congruent to CBF. So what we can say? CF is equal to EB or FC is equal to EB. This implies that CF is equal to BE using CPCT. So what we proved is both the altitudes are equal. Fourth question. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. What is given here is BE is equal to CF. What is given is BE is equal to CF. Both the altitudes are equal. What we have to prove. And what else is given? Since it is an altitude, these two are 90 degree. So angle BFC is equal to angle CEB is equal to 90 degree. Angle BFC is equal to angle CEB EB is equal to 90 degree and BE is equal to CF. What we have to prove? To prove triangle ABE, we have to prove triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. This is what we have to prove. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. And we have to prove AB is equal to AC. That is using corresponding parts. So, shall we start? First, we have to write to prove triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. And second one is AB is equal to AC. So, what are the given things? What is given? Any common here? Any common angle or side here? Angle A is common for both these triangles. So, what we can write is angle A is equal to angle A common. Any other angle equal? Yeah. Which is the next angle? Angle AFC. Angle AFC is equal to angle AEB is equal to 90 degree. So, we got two angles. What is the next one which we need? One side. BE is equal to CF. BE is equal to CF is given. So, what we can conclude? Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF using AAS criterion. These two are congruent means AB is equal to AC using CPZ. Fifth question. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. ABC and BDC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. So, what do you have to prove? We have to prove that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. We have to prove that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. So, what is given? AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, what can you say about these two angles? These two angles are equal. If BD is equal to CD, what can you say about these two angles? They are also equal using angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Since AB is equal to AC, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB using angles opposite to equal sides. Then angle DBC is equal to angle DCB, same reason, angles opposite to equal sides. What you have to do is just add 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. Angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. So, when you add angle ABC plus angle DBC, what you are getting? This full angle ABD. Same way, angle ACB plus angle DCB, when you add this, what you are getting? This full angle. That is the required answer actually. This implies that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. This is the required answer.